So we got this very beautiful question. Like from my point of view, this question is awesome. You will understand a very beautiful concept over here. Okay, and you should try these kind of questions because this kind of questions in advance it is popular. Okay, like look at this. The moment you will read this question and feel no, you will enjoy a lot. Okay, the curve C is the mirror image of the parabola this. So suppose that this is parabola. Okay, suppose that this is parabola with respect to the line this. Suppose this is the line this, x plus y plus 4, okay, equals to 0. So and you have an mirror image. Okay, suppose that this is the mirror image. Suppose, okay, suppose this is correct and this is named as C. Now if AB is the point of intersection of C with the line y equals to -5. So look at this. Your curve C is intersecting y plus 5 equals to 0 at the point A and B. Okay. Now you have to find out distance between A and B. Okay. So we can solve this question using like by so many methods, but I want you to tell two methods. Okay, I'll solve the same question by using two different methods and I want you to go through both of them. Okay, now look at this. You know that this question is demanding about distance, so don't you think the distance in the image and distance in reality will be the same? Correct or wrong? Okay, also they can ask these kind of questions. They can talk about uh, distance, area, okay, or area of triangle, quadrilateral, these kind of things they can talk about. So if they will talk about, you can work out on this without finding mirror image of the curve. Okay, and suppose that if they will talk about focus of the mirror image, then also you can find out using this thing only. You need not to find out first parabola. You have to find out focus of given parabola and find out image of that focus along the line. Okay, so you can go anyway. Okay, so what I want to do, I'll go with this one. I'll play with the real curve only. Okay, like look at this part. I'll find out first equation of this line. Okay, so don't you think that you know equation of this line and you know equation of this line? So to find out equation of this line, we need 2 points. First point is clear that it is intersecting here. So I'll find out intersection point. I'll assume this point to be P. And you know that y coordinate will be -5 throughout the line. So I'll go with -5. Now, if y is -5, x will become 1. So you got 1 point. I need one more point on this line. Okay. Is that okay? Suppose that on this line only somewhere like can I go with a 0 comma -5? Correct? Okay, I'll find image of this line, this point along this line. So hopefully we will get a point on this line. Okay, so I'll try to calculate that one. So do you remember that image formula? So it is x minus x1 by a equals y minus y1 by b equals minus, it is image, so 2 times point satisfaction 0 minus 5 plus 4 point satisfaction upon a square plus b square. Okay, so this thing done. So x equals to y plus 5 equals to 1. So can I go with this second point as, I'll go with second point as 1 comma minus 4. So you got 2 points on that line, this line. So can I go with the equation of line? Slope equals slope. Okay, so I'll write y minus minus 4 upon x minus 1 is equal to minus 4 minus minus 5 1 minus. Okay, so here you got x coordinate as same. So don't you think you can directly write this equation as x equals to 1? Okay, correct? Like here it is 0, है ना? So, and this is not like, don't feel that it is not defined. Okay, yes, in reality it is not defined, but it is the convention by which we used to find out the image. Okay, so do cross multiplication. So x minus 1 equals to 0, so x will be equal to 1. So mathematically also you can find. Okay, so you got your things done. Now what I'll do, I'll solve this line. I will solve this line with the real curve. The real curve is what? This. Okay, so you know that x equals to 1. So suppose x equals to 1, so y square is equal to 4. So y is equal to plus minus 2. So we got point A dash as 1 comma 2, B dash as 1 comma minus 2. So required distance is equal to 4 unit. Correct or wrong? Okay, means you can apply that formula because you know na, the distance in real thing and the distance in image thing will be the same. The area of triangle in real thing and the area of triangle in image will be the same. Okay, now in next video what I'll do, I'll explain you to how to find out mirror image of a curve. Okay, like suppose if they will ask you to find out the mirror image of the curve, so how will you approach? Because these area of triangle, area of quadrilateral, distance, these things so you can handle right now. So suppose that if they will ask about focus of the image, so what you will do, you will find focus in reality, it's a point, and now you will find image of that focus along the given line. You will get focus of the image. Okay, now I'll tell you how to find out the image of a curve, okay, in upcoming video.